That bead chain made all the difference. Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and if you've been following any of my videos, you know that I've been playing with this little gadget that sits on top of my Mavic 2, and it's called the RCGeek Airdrop. When I first got it, I wasn't very impressed with it, but I've been playing with it and found that now it works great with some of the things that I've done. And you'll notice there's excuse me, I'm sorry, I got something in my throat. You'll notice that there's a little ball chain that goes around a bead chain. Well, sometimes they call it a ball chain, but anyway, it's a bead, little beads on a chain, and that goes around that sliding rod. And so when the sliding rod is pulled back, then it lets go of that chain, which is hooked to a string, which is hooked to a bag of candy, which I'll be dropping in a couple of days for my grandson's birthday. I did a candy drop a few weeks ago for the neighborhood kids, just to see how it worked. There's that bead chain, and I was using a round loop of wire. And it worked most of the time, but every once in a while that round loop of wire would get jammed in the little, it goes through a little loop, which is kind of a guide. And so I put that chain on there, and it works great. And so I thought, if I can get 3 drops in a row without something jamming like it used to, then I'm good to go for my grandson's birthday. So this is the first takeoff, and on this one, as usual, I forgot to start the recorder on the Mavic, but we'll see how it works on the first drop here. And I have to get up high enough so that you'll see when I let go. You'll hear a beep, and that's the key to it's going to drop. There it dropped. And everything worked. So that's test number 1. This is test number 2, and I put the little bead chain around the rod and go over here. Now I turned on the camera on the Mavic so we can watch it from above as it drops. There we go. All right, so looking down from the Mavic, and I have to go up high enough, like I say, to make it a real drop. And there's that little beep, and there it goes. So that's test number 2. So far we're doing 100%. Alright, here comes test number 3. Get the bead pulled over the rod, the bead chain. It really impressed me when I put that on there, because it just slides off like it was slick. Alright, here we go. And I messed up some of my video, so pretty soon we'll see what the drone's looking at. If this one works, I'm ready to do the drop on Sunday. And sun's in my eye. I'm trying to figure out why the thing is tangled up. It has to be laid out perfectly or it'll tangle up on everything. Looks like it's ready to go. Excuse me. Alright, test number 3. By the way, I lift something that weighs a pound or less, and that's just a little less than a pound of candy in a plastic bag. It won't be in a plastic bag when I drop it on Sunday. Alright, listen close now. There's the beep. Well, what do you know? 3 in a row. I think it's going to work. It's pretty hard for it not to. So I threw away the wire loop, and I'm going to use the bead chain from now on. Makes that thing worth buying. Now I can use it without doubts. Thanks for watching.